Yeah, good morning everyone. I was a bit slow getting up this morning. Didn't fancy riding the bike on one wheel. It's a bit grey outside. So, I'm taking the car. But it's funny because when I bring the car, I have to bring the one wheel anyway. I'll try to show it's in the back. But another day, another dollar, another vlog. Hope everyone out there's doing alright, and let's get into the video. Point of view, you're my one wheel and you get brought to work, but you're so fucking heavy. Yo, we made it, guys, and look, back for breakfast. Woo! Let's start the brekkie montage. We're going with jam today. On a cold day, you guys ever wish you were a piece of toast? I forgot to film. I was running late. I realised the time, and I was like, "Shit, fuck, make my toast, make my toast." But just smacking back me toast now, and about to start work shortly. We'll see you at the end of the day. Have a good one. Busy day. It's 4:30. Just having lunch now. Yeah, it's been a busy one. I haven't even been able to catch up with you guys, but basically just fast forward to when I'm heading home, and let's do something tonight. I wonder how well I can cover the mic with my hand so you guys don't hear any wind sound. You've either got absolutely no sound or absolutely full of wind sound right now. But yo, we made it to the end of another day. Fuck, it was a hard one. It was a long day today, I'll tell you that. Didn't have lunch till 4:30, finished at 5. But yeah, I'm gonna head home, maybe chuck the mount on the bike. See you guys there. We made it home. And now I'm just going to chuck a mount on my bike. Nothing too exciting, but enjoy. Here's my phone. So, got a case on like that, and it quite literally just clicks in there, and then like spins locked. I haven't set it up properly yet, so we'll figure out how it actually works once we get there. Maybe I'll put it right here, because that way it's actually like, if I can get that to sit upright like that, I can actually film forwards, or film backwards. What do I normally film? I film forwards, eh? So now I want to try and film backwards. So actually I'm going to want it like that. So I can angle it up towards myself, you see? Yes, I am just talking to myself right now at this point. I'm going to get my proper Allen key. I'm not using this fucking thing anymore. It's just frustrating. Much better. Much better. Yeah, not gonna lie, that's kind of fucking dope. You guys can hardly see anything. Let me pull you around. Yeah, so like, yeah, that's basically what we're looking at, and it just spins either, you know. Oh, so one of it set up for portrait. But fuck, that's gonna be so handy when I'm riding. I'll fast forward to a clip of that looking at me. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually crazy. You can film in 4K on your front camera apparently. Don't even know how it looks. But just kind of wanted to test out how stable this is going to be. Stable enough, I'd say. Stable enough. Few cyclists going past. Ooh, can you tell I'm wheeling? That's the question. Oh, this is dope, this fucking, so this foam mount is, oh, not gonna lie. It's so stable. Fuck, I'm just popping wheelies and everything and it just stays there. Still as a boom. Alright, my mother is going to see this and she's going to give me an absolute licking. She's already told me to get off that bike until you have gear. But it's just too much. I couldn't wait, you know, just had to test it out. Alright, that's enough. Cut it out. Alright, that's enough. Whew, okay, wait. And then all I literally have to do is go that way, and we Gucci. We're off. Yo, that's actually sick. I'll pretty much leave it there. Like, to be honest, I kind of just wanted to chuck the mount on, get a little bit of a look at it. Like, it's just so handy. That's dope. Huh. I mean, I wouldn't call it an awesome view, but it's a view. Then again, well, okay, nah, I have to go test this now. This could be a dope wheelie bit, or a dope wheelie angle kind of thing, you know? Okay, let's try that out, eh? Alright. Now let's wrap it up, because that's just ridiculous. That's actually so sick. I can't wait to have the helmet on as well. But it's been another beautiful day, guys. Vlog number 3 done. Let's see, I might make another video tomorrow, might not, might take a couple of days off and then get straight back into it next week, hopefully. But otherwise, we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Like, subscribe, and enjoy!